Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're looking at how to use the Hammy effect on the Valeton GP200. So you would find the Hammy effect under the wah block. So before you can use it, you would have to activate the wah using the expression pedal. So the Hammy effect comes by default with a range of +1 octave, harmony, volume and position. Now the range starts from -2 octave all the way to plus or -2 oct. So this plays a single octave which is 24 notes lower. It sounds like this. That is how that one sounds like. -1 oct. +2 oct. I'm playing this on the 3rd fret. Playing it on the 15th fret. Now, when it comes to the +/- anytime the position is below 50, it plays the negative oct like this. And I'm playing this on the 15th fret. So putting the position all the way up beyond 50. So same applies to the +/-2 oct. If the position of the Hammy is below 50, it plays 24 notes lower than the notes that you are playing. And then if it's beyond 50, like this, it plays 24 notes ahead. So it sounds like this now. But on most records, it's the +1 oct that's mostly used. But it is normally not used like that. If you want it to sound really nice, you would have to pitch. So you could play something like this. Okay, so you can have so you have to be picturing it something like that. So basically that's how to go about the Hammy effect, and it comes with nice options like that. Now with the harmony turned on, it duplicates the guitar signal and attaches the pitched version of the same guitar signal. So something like this. Let's try +2 octs. I'm playing this on the 3rd fret. And then one important thing is, if you have the position, let's say when it is at 0, you will get the normal guitar signal. Anytime you move it beyond 0, it starts pitching in something we call synth. So either that, so it's basically like frequencies. So depending on what you're working on, you can look for the key that you want to play. Let's say +1 oct, and I put the position at 10. Let me turn it off over here on my signal chain. I'm playing the key of B flat. Now turning it back on over here. Now let me turn off the harmony. So it's basically shifted it one semitone, which is this. But I just played. So putting this at 20, I could get something like this. But this is what I played. So you could also do alternate tuning with the Hammy effect or any of the pitch effects on the Valeton GP200. So you would have to gauge and fine tune to the position, or let me see, the tone that you want, or how you want the guitar to react based on the signal chain. So these are some of the tricks, or let me say the possibilities with the Hammy effect. So I got this particular comment, and this is the solution. You would have to make sure the harmony is off, and then you pick +1 oct using the Hammy effect, and you would have a very nice tone. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.